Speak with your pharmacist. They can guide you on how to safely use Octyl 2-cyanoacrylate liquid for wound closure. Be sure to consult your pharmacist or physician before using Octyl 2-cyanoacrylate liquid. Remember to consult your pharmacist or physician before using Octyl 2-cyanoacrylate liquid. In the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects and report any side effects to the FDA. In Canada, you can also call your doctor for medical advice about side effects and report any side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Be sure to consult your pharmacist or physician before using Octyl 2-cyanoacrylate liquid. Always consult with your pharmacist or doctor before using Octyl 2-cyanoacrylate liquid. It is important to keep a list of all your medications and share it with your healthcare providers. If someone has taken too much Octyl 2-cyanoacrylate liquid and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or a poison control center. In the US, you can contact your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Unfortunately, there is no specific information available about the uses, dosage, or optimal timing for Octyl 2-cyanoacrylate liquid at this time. Be sure to consult your pharmacist or physician before using Octyl 2-cyanoacrylate liquid. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.